Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw in Instagram messages using the new draw feature that's rolling out across devices. So let's get started. So here's how it works. First, you want to open Instagram app and go to your messages. Then you want to open any chat you want, then choose message. From here, you should see at the bottom right corner the plus icon. Just go ahead and tap that. Then you should be able to see the draw option. Just click on it, and there you go. You can already draw on your Instagram messages. Quick and easy. But if you don't see the draw option yet, don't worry, Instagram is rolling this out gradually. It might depend on your phone or app version. So to increase your chances of getting it, you want to make sure your app is fully updated. So just go to the App Store on your iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Instagram and check if you have an update. Just tap it, and once the app update installs, open Instagram again to end the draw feature should appear. Now, when you tap draw, you'll get a toolbar with different tools like a marker, as you can see there, a highlight, eraser, color picker. We have several more options at the top. Just go ahead and choose your favorite color and start drawing. When you're happy with your masterpiece, just tap send and your drawing will be sent directly inside the chat. And that's it. That's how you can draw and send custom doodles in your Instagram DMs. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.